If you are not a fan of battery-operated reciprocating saws, you should take a shot at the Milwaukee 6509-3112 amp Sawzall reciprocating saw kit without any second thought. This corded saw from Milwaukee delivers unbelievable speed and power like nobody's business. With the right blade, this best reciprocating saw can cut through just about anything out there. It's safe to use as well. Of course, there's no substitute for an operator's common sense. No matter how safe a device is, you will have to use it carefully. That said, this saw isn't too heavy. So, even an old lady will be able to use it for anything, just like the young folks out there. Seriously, this saw is so well built that it truly makes you feel like a pro contractor. Product features. The Milwaukee 6509-3112 amp Sawzall reciprocating saw kit is easy to operate, nicely balanced, light enough, and extremely powerful to carry out a lot of handyman projects around the house. As hinted earlier, it cuts through just about anything on its way like butter. It's also easy to change blades on this unit. It comes with a variable speed trigger too, which can be easily controlled by the operator. Keep in mind that this saw is proudly made in the USA, which would mean a lot to boatloads of folks out there who are not willing to settle for anything less than the best. By all accounts, getting this saw should really be a regret-free deal. Advantages. Unlike the competition, the Milwaukee 6509-31 saw can be used in a commercial environment. This reciprocating saw is so useful that it will pay for itself after a few uses. The saw doesn't run hot even when you use it for long hours, which tells us a lot about the saw's construction quality. In the consumer world, it's hard to find such a power tool that can literally last a lifetime. Given how well the saw runs, it will get a lot of use for many years and beyond. Disadvantages. There's hardly any negative to crib about. Believe it or not, this saw is tantalizing close to be a perfect product. If you like to buy or like to know more, click on the link below.